Suspended between heaven and earth, we hunt for the tears of ancient forests.
The Stalker utilizes high-frequency vacuum suction to maintain a 5-ton grip on sheer vertical surfaces.
Deep tissue X-ray scanning identifies the exact coordinates of the fossilized resin hidden beneath the limestone.
Discovery: a grade A amber core, preserved for 50 million years, containing a perfect biological record.
Sonic drilling at 40,000 Hz disintegrates the rock without damaging the fragile amber crystal within.
Dynamic weight distribution prevents the harvester from creating stress fractures in the ancient cliff face.
Clearing the debris. Precision visibility is mandatory for the delicate extraction of golden honey. The first glimpse of the core. Pure, translucent amber, untouched by sunlight since the Eocene epoch.
Every millimeter counts. The extraction process is a delicate dance of industrial force and surgical precision.
Defying gravity. The Stalker is the apex predator of the vertical industrial frontier.
Instant encapsulation. A protective polymer coating prevents thermal shock and oxygen exposure.
Into the vault. Each specimen is worth more than its weight in gold to the scientific and luxury markets.
Engineered for the extremes, carbon fiber provides the highest strength-to-weight ratio in the industry.
Tool maintenance is automated, keeping the diamond edge sharp for the next 50 meters of rock. Total mobility. The one-flow system allows for simultaneous climbing, scanning, and harvesting. Safety is absolute. Redundant polymer anchors ensure the beast remains attached in 100 km/h winds.
Remote operation via low-latency satellite link. The operator feels every vibration of the drill.
A window into the past. This single leaf contains the DNA of a world long gone.
Alert. The spectral analyzer has detected an ultra-rare blue-amber vein within the limestone.
Scalability. A fleet of Stalkers can clear a 1,000 square meter cliff face in less than a week.
The heartbeat of the machine. Constant pressure monitoring ensures a 100% seal on every limb. Gold-shielded hydraulics, reflecting solar radiation to maintain a constant internal temperature.
Overcoming geological obstacles. Flint is no match for the resonance frequency of the Stalker's drill.
Instant certification. Blockchain tracking begins the moment the amber leaves the stone.
Navigating the impossible. The articulated chassis can bridge gaps of up to 3 meters. Heat dissipation. Managing the energy of high-speed drilling at high altitudes. Biomimicry at scale. Millions of synthetic fibers create van der Waals forces for ultimate grip. Total field of view. The harvester never stops moving, never stops searching. When the light fails, the machine's infrared eyes take over. The hunt continues in the dark. Aerial extraction. The harvest is transported to the lab without the machine ever leaving the cliff. Precision docking. Transferring 50 kilograms of ancient treasure at a 300-meter altitude. Geological awareness. The machine adapts its drill speed based on the mineral density of the cliff. Self-maintenance. In the world of high-value harvesting, a dirty lens is $1 million mistake. Altitude monitoring. Constant LiDAR feedback ensures the machine stays within its operational envelope. Weather resistance. The Stalker is engineered to withstand the brutal freeze-thaw cycles of the peaks. The ultimate prize. A biological specimen that will redefine paleontological history. Impact resistance. The carbon fiber hull is designed to survive rockfalls and high-velocity debris. Energy efficiency. Regenerative braking on the descent charges the harvester's solid-state batteries. Optical inspection. Only the clearest, most mineral-rich cores are selected for the Harvest Motion series. Systematic conquest. Transforming a chaotic cliff into a high-efficiency production line.
Molecular disruption. Breaking the bonds of stone without generating excessive heat.
A masterpiece of engineering. Unit 5 is the latest evolution in vertical resource recovery.
Site preservation. We don't just take, we stabilize the environment for future geological stability.
The intersection of technology and the elements. Every drop of water is a cooling opportunity. High torque actuation, providing the leverage needed to pull the machine through overhangs.
Exploring the unknown. The dark recesses of the cliff often hold the largest amber deposits.
Peak performance. The climb is over, but the processing of the golden tears is just beginning.
Automated grading, categorizing the harvest by volume, clarity, and biological inclusion.
Chemical fingerprinting. Determining the specific species of ancient tree that produced this resin.
Seismic isolation. The harvester can survive a magnitude 5 earthquake while on the cliff.
Surface preparation. Creating the perfect grip on irregular or crumbling stone surfaces.
Mid-air resupply. Minimizing downtime by fueling the beast while it remains on the vertical hunt.
Moisture mapping. High water content in the rock indicates a potential risk of a rock slide.
Protecting the electronics. High-altitude UV radiation is a silent killer of non-shielded systems. Preservation starts in the field. Every detail of the prehistoric specimen is protected.
Hybrid mobility. Switching from climbing to crawling modes as the terrain dictates.
Triple redundant safety. In the abyss, there is no room for a single point of failure.
The Blue Grail. A rare volcanic-infused amber that is the most sought-after mineral on Earth.
Maintaining 5,000 psi. The pressure must be perfect to ensure the mechanical arms never slip.
Self-healing machines. Maintaining the structural integrity of the hull in real time.
Coordinated AI. The harvester and the drone network operate as a single, unified organism. Gravity inversion. The Stalker's suction system is powerful enough to support the machine on a ceiling.
Rapid tool change technology. Maintaining the flow of production without a second of waste. Dust management. Preventing the buildup of abrasive particles in the machine's joints. Hybrid power management. Utilizing the sun to augment the machine's solid-state battery life.
Mother Lode. A continuous vein of ancient resin stretching 10 meters across the cliff.
Industrial choreography. The Stalker maps the mountain with light and logic. Tactile feedback. The operator feels the density of the mountain from 5 kilometers away. Thermochromic fluids, providing a visual indicator of system temperature to the ground crew. Zero waste harvesting. Every grawl of the ancient resin is a valuable byproduct for the perfume industry. The calm before the storm. The machine's lightning rod is deployed and ready. Transverse mobility. Moving horizontally to follow the natural curve of the geological strata. Engineering for the thin air. Ensuring the internal combustion backup remains primed and ready.
Diamond on stone contact. Achieving a mechanical lock that can support 10 times the machine's weight.
Clean operations. Waste material is directed into controlled zones to prevent environmental damage.
The future of resource recovery. A seamless blend of robotics, geology, and high-altitude art.
Inertial stabilization, the key to drilling with micron-level precision on a vertical wall.
Harvest motion. Dominating the vertical frontier with gold and carbon. Protecting the assets. The Stalker's body acts as a temporary shelter for high-value discoveries.
Digital twin creation, mapping every centimeter of the mountain for future geological research. Rapid egress. When the harvest is complete, the machine returns to the valley in minutes.
Ceramic braking systems, dissipating kinetic energy safely during high-speed vertical descents. Transformation, ready for the next mountain, the next cliff, the next discovery.
Integrated logistics. The chain from the cliff to the customer is unbroken and efficient. The legacy of the Stalker. A surgical harvest that leaves the mountain's beauty intact. Final packaging. Ensuring the 50-million-year-old treasure survives the journey to the lab. Power down sequence. The mission is accomplished. The profit is secured.
Data verification. 500 kilograms of grade A amber, 10 biological inclusions, 100% efficiency.
Industrial majesty. The machine and nature in perfect, profitable harmony.
The harvest of the past is over. The future belongs to Harvest Motion.
From the cliff to the showroom, the ultimate expression of luxury resource recovery. The true value. Preserving the secrets of life for the generations of tomorrow.
Decontamination. Preparing the Stalker for its next deployment in the vertical abyss.
Harvest motion.